Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Payhip. First, navigate to the Payhip website and log into your seller dashboard using your registered email and password. This initial step is crucial for accessing your store's configuration settings. Ensure you have your Payhip login information readily available, preparing you for a straightforward integration. This connection expands your customers' payment choices significantly. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation panel within your dashboard. Locate and click on the Settings option, which will then reveal a set of further submenus. From this new list, you will need to select the Payments tab. This section is specifically designed for managing all of your store's transaction processing methods and options. Inside the Payments section, you will see a clear button or link labeled Connect PayPal. Click on this to initiate the linking process. A new window or field will appear, asking you to input your registered PayPal business email address. After entering it, carefully review the information, then proceed with the authorization steps as guided by Payhip. This securely establishes the connection between the two platforms. Once you have saved your PayPal connection details, it is highly recommended to perform a test transaction. Simply create a small product and attempt to purchase it using your newly connected PayPal. Verify that the payment appears in your PayPal account and is registered in your Payhip sales dashboard. This confirms the setup is fully operational and ready to receive customer payments effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.